Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running a Windows 10 LTSC VM in VirtualBox. So fire up VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine, give it a name and set the type to Windows 10. Give the VM at least 4 GB of memory. Create a new virtual disk in the VDI format. Use dynamically allocated storage and set the size to at least 30 GB. With the new VM selected, click Settings, System, Processor, and give the VM at least 2 processing cores. Then select Display and make sure the video memory is maxed out. Next, select Storage, click the empty CD drive, and browse to and select the Windows 10 LTSC ISO. And lastly, select Network and set the attached to bridged adapter. With the VM configured, click the Start button to power on the virtual machine. The LTSC setup is the same as any other modern Windows install. Once Windows Setup boots, click Next. Then click Install Now. Select the Windows version you'd like to install. Click Next. Accept the license terms and click Next. Click the Custom Install option and then Next. Windows will start copying and installing files. Once the installation completes, click Restart Now. After the virtual machine reboots, don't press any keys as we don't want to boot back into the installation media. Windows Setup will continue initializing and setting up devices, and then will reboot again. When prompted, select a region. Then select a keyboard layout. Then choose to set up a secondary keyboard layout, or skip. To use an offline account, click the Domain Join Instead button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Insert a username, then enter and confirm the user's password. Next, we'll select and answer 3 security questions that can be used for password recovery. At the next screen, you can toggle different privacy settings. My preference is to disable all the options. And after all of that, we wait several more minutes as Windows initializes one final time before showing the desktop. We now have Windows 10 LTSC installed, but let's install the VirtualBox guest editions as well. From the VirtualBox menu, select Devices, insert Guest Edition CD image. Open a file explorer inside the VM and navigate to the virtual CD drive. Double-click VBox Windows Editions to start the installer. Click through the installer, leaving all the defaults. Click Install to any driver prompts that pop up. Once the installation completes, select Reboot Now and click Finish. After the VM reboots, log back into Windows. With guest editions installed, we can now resize the VirtualBox window, and the internal resolution of the VM will resize to match. Welcome to a Windows 10 LTSC VM running inside VirtualBox.